This a young black queen with big dreams. Grinding, gotta get to the top, that's any means. This is my life, gonna be alright. She do what she want, she do what she like. This is my life, alright and alright.
Hey Bella Beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to start on the eyes. I'm going to go into the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the shade Katsina for my transition. Of course, I will be popping in and out of the video to let you guys know what's going on. I will only be demonstrating one side for lengthening purposes of the video. Now I'm going to pop into the color Jamila and just blend it out into my crease. Guys, I did not know what look I wanted to do, so I just popped into the color Sokoto and just hope for the best. After I cleaned my brush, I went back into the shade Jamila to blend out the two colors between the transition shade and Sokoto. I am now popping into the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette and taking the shade Zane and just blending it out. I'm going back to Sokoto to make sure both shades are well blended together. Going back into the Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 1, I'll be using the shade Neo to give it that depth I want. I'll also be popping into that plum-like shade, Abby, to achieve that darker effect that I wanted. After well blending my shades, I mean blending my shades together, I'm going to take the L.A Gril Pro Concealer and try to achieve this sun effect. Guys, take your time with this because you can easily mess up. Right? I'm now going to L.A Gril setting powder to set the concealer on my lids. I'm going back into the Saharan blush palette in the shade Neo to achieve that sun look I wanted and to darken the background. I'm popping back into the shade Jamila and Sokoto to blend out any harsh lines between my transition shade and above my crease. I'm popping into the shade Toby and it is so pigmented. I'm going to use Toby to fill in my sun. I'm going back into the shade Ivy just for the finishing touches. I'm going back into the Saharan palette and popping into the shade Iman to highlight my eyebrow bone. I'm popping back into my transition shade Katsina and blending all the harsh lines. I'm popping back into the shade Iman to reapply the highlight and then I'm going to blend it out again. I'm also popping into the shade Chad to give it that dark effect and prep for eyeliner and eyelashes, which I will be doing off of camera. I'm also going to take the L.A Gril Color Corrector and apply it to where I have dark spots. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 440. I'm going to apply my concealer in the shade Beautiful Brown to the highlighted areas of my face. I'm using a darker concealer for contour in the shade Mahogany. I'm going to take the L.A Gril setting powder and apply it to my highlighted areas. It's time to blend this contour out, Bellas. Let's not forget about that setting powder. I'm going to use my Kat.Von.D Lock-It setting spray to remove ash and set my face as well. I'm going to go into my Profusion palette and use the shade Espresso. There's barely any, that sucks. But I like a powdery finish with my contour. Let's get back into this blush palette though. I'm going to take the shades Neo and Abby and apply it to my cheeks and blend it out. I'm going to be using the side and the tip of my brush to apply highlight with the shade Lila. I'm going to set my face again with my Kat.Von.D setting spray. I use my liquid eyeliner that I got from my local beauty supply store and apply my molds. Yes, of course, I'm going back into Neo and Abby and underlining my bottom waterline. I'm going to take my black eyeliner pencil that I got from Ulta Beauty and just go over my waterline. Can't forget the lippies. I'm just going to take my brown lip liner and just line my lips. I'm also going to take my Fenty Beauty lip gloss and just apply it. Okay, one more time with my Kat.Von.D setting spray. And here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. Pound Bella Beat. F.I. Slade. Kisses. Mwah.